In this video, we will take a look at how to use the EndNote Cite-While-You-Write plugin for Microsoft Word Desktop. To begin, open your EndNote library before opening Word. Follow the instructions in this module to make sure Track Changes is off in Word and that both files are saved locally. When you open Microsoft Word Desktop, make sure your EndNote 21 ribbon is visible. If not, you'll need to go back to Module 2 and follow the instructions to make sure it is enabled before you continue on. Let's start by taking a look at how you can insert citations from your EndNote 21 library into your Word document using the Insert Citation option. In EndNote, highlight the reference that you want to cite. In Word, place your cursor in the text where you want the citation to go. From the ribbon menu, select the EndNote 21 tab. Click on the Insert Citation drop-down menu and choose Insert Selected Citations. The in-text citations will show up in your Word document in the selected output style format. At the end of the paper, the references will be displayed and formatted according to the rules of the output style. Another way to insert citations is by using the Find and Insert My Citation option in Word. In Word, place your cursor where you want to add the in-text citation. From the ribbon, select the EndNote 21 tab and click the Insert Citation drop-down menu. Choose Insert Citation and enter a keyword, author, or phrase related to the article in the search box, then click Find. Once you've located the correct reference, highlight it and click Insert. If needed, you can use the Insert drop-down menu to select options like Insert and Exclude Author or Insert and Exclude Year. The in-text citation will appear in the selected output style format, and the corresponding reference will be listed at the end of the document, formatted according to the chosen output style. You can also insert citations by placing your cursor where you want the in-text citation in Word, then clicking the Go to EndNote option under the EndNote 21 tab. This will open EndNote. Highlight the references that you want to cite in your EndNote library. While you are still in EndNote, click on the Tools tab, choose Cite-While-You-Write, or CWYW, and choose Insert Selected Citations. Another method is to copy and paste. Go to your EndNote library and click to highlight the references of interest. Select Edit and then Copy, then put the cursor where you want the citations to appear in Word and paste them. The in-text citations will display in the selected output format. You can also use the drag and drop method, which works especially well if you're using a large or dual monitor setup. With both your EndNote library and Word document visible on the screen, highlight the references you want to cite in EndNote. Click, hold, and drag the selected references to the appropriate spot in your Word document, then release. The in-text citation will appear in the selected output style format, and the corresponding references will be automatically added at the end of the paper in the correct order, following the rules of the chosen output style. At any point, you can change the output style by opening the Style drop-down menu in the EndNote 21 ribbon and selecting the correct style. This will change both the in-text citations and reference list to follow the new citation format. It may take a moment, especially if you have a large number of citations. The styles that appear in the Style drop-down are those you have selected to appear in your shortlist. See the previous course module on creating standalone bibliographies to learn how to add output styles to your list. Next, we'll discuss installing and using the Cite-While-You-Write plugin for Google Docs.